Pennsylvania cooking. Veggie season is here, also zucchini season. So there's always a million recipes for zucchini, and I've shared some of my favorite zucchini casseroles, salads, bread. So today is going to be zucchini quiche. Let's get to it. So it's going to take eggs, some garlic, some oregano, parsley, salt, pepper, my baking mix or Bisquick. I don't use Bisquick, I use my baking mix, grated sharp cheddar cheese, oil, and a pie crust. This is one of mine that I had frozen and I have thawed out to use as the bottom. So I have my oven preheating at 350, and I put my pie crust in to line the bottom of my dish to put in my quiche part. Now we're going to make the guts of our quiche. I'm going to take my eggs and we'll beat them well. Then I'll add in my oil, salt, oregano, parsley, parm cheese, some pepper, some garlic, mix that all up. And of course, if you have fresh parm, that's better. I didn't today, so once again, I use what I got. My cheese, and this is half sharp and half smoked sharp. Then I'll add in my zucchini. And then my baking mix. And you want that baking mix to take up the water that's in the zucchini if it's not been drained, which this isn't. So get this all mixed in good. Okay. And we just take it, throw it all in. Now I'm going to throw it in the oven at 350 degrees. And it's done. You know what comes next. And it's done. So if you want this to be more eggy, you can always take the baking mix down a little bit and add more egg. But with the zucchini being wetter, I suggest keeping the ratios as I've kept them. So let's give it a shot. Oh man, it's just good. Flaky pie crust on the bottom. You can taste the smoked cheese through it. This might be your new favorite way to eat zucchini. Might not look the prettiest, but it sure tastes good. So that's the zucchini quiche recipe that I have. I like it. It's a great way to use up zucchini, and it's got cheese and pie crust bottom. I mean, how can you go wrong? So, zucchini season. Give zucchini quiche a shot. Enjoy those vegetables.